Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by linking your project to GitHub so commits flow smoothly. First, make sure Git is installed and IntelliJ recognizes it. Open Settings and set the Git executable path. Once done, add your GitHub account using a personal access token in Settings version control GitHub so authentication uses HTTPS or SSH. Next, open or create the project you want to version. Then initialize a local repository in VCS menu and you will now link your local repo to the remote and push changes. Create or choose a repository on GitHub and copy its URL. In IntelliJ, open VCS Git remotes and add origin with that URL so pushes target the correct remote. Make staged commits with the commit tool window, describe changes clearly. When ready, use VCS Git push to upload your branch. If push rejects, fetch and merge remote changes first, then resolve any conflicts in the editor before pushing again. You will finish by keeping workflow healthy with branches, pull requests, and quick fixes. Create a feature branch in the Git Branches menu and commit work there. Then push that branch to origin so GitHub can receive a pull request. Once PRs are reviewed, merge on GitHub or perform a rebase/merge locally in IntelliJ to maintain history. If something breaks, check authentication, token, or SSH key, verify the remote URL, fetch latest changes, and inspect the Git log to pinpoint the issue before attempting to push again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.